People often ask me, is there maintenance, is there upkeep? And the answer is yes. There's very little maintenance. It's really washing your hair, styling your hair, making sure that your hair looks good. I think you would have done that if you had your own hair anyway, right? But maybe once every 10 to 13, 14 days, you have to do a little touch up to the hairline. We have videos and tutorials on how you can do that at home. Some of our memberships or some of our packages include that, where you could just come into the center and have it done. I come to a hair club center about the same amount of time that I used to get my hair cut or go to the barber shop. So I get my hair cut every 3 to 4 weeks. So to me, nothing's changed. It's exactly the same as what it was before. And I think everybody should have a couple stylists. So, you always get that comfortable feeling of, if your stylist is on vacation or whatever, you have somebody else that you trust to do your hair. So I get that. I understand putting your trust into your stylist. But I have two of them. Whenever I want to try something new, they're always giving me advice on what are the latest styles. If I want to, go longer for the winter or shorter for the summer, they'll show me some recommendations to what they think would look good for my facial features. So I put a lot of trust into the two people that take care of my hair for me. And I think it's really important to have those people and to have that relationship with them. I know about their children and they know about mine, and it's really like family when you come to get your hair done. And I really think that makes it even more, I don't know, it just makes the whole appointment more fun, and again, it just makes it more comfortable for me to come in and get my hair done all the time. So the products that I love most are the Maxim products that Hair Club offers. And probably one of my favorite ones is the leave-in conditioner. It has a sunscreen in it, and it makes my hair feel really great. I'm an avid fisherman, so when I'm on the water and the sun and the salt, that leave-in conditioner definitely helps prevent the hair from, fading in the sun, just like anybody's hair would. If you're exposed to the sun for so long, it's gonna dry your hair out. So having the right product regimen is really important. I use the spray gel to keep everything in place. It's not too hard of a kind of lock your hair in place feel, but it's just enough to hold it in place when I'm moving on the boat in the wind. And then at the end of the day, I'm going to go home and I'm going to wash my hair with the Maxim shampoo and volumizing conditioner. So that volumizing shampoo and conditioner definitely add to making it feel fuller and thicker.